I am a rider. I'm always on the lookout for an adventure. To explore new places, to breathe in the nature, to ride. That is my dream. And it came true. The roads are just spectacular. I mean, it's a mix of everything from narrow one-way roads, brilliant coastal riding, to challenging hairpins and curves. When it comes to riding, that's it. Search no more. Ride the adventure, it says, and we are really riding it. The history, the culture, Adriatic Sea, MotoTrip crew. Wow, we're truly living our dream. See you again, that's for sure.